In this video, we will be doing algebra from geometry and also involving substitution. So angle 1 is congruent to angle 2, angle 1 is congruent to angle 2, angle 1 is also congruent to angle 3, meaning that angle 2 is congruent to angle 3. We're not going to write that down as a proof because in a problem like this, you won't be required to, but you need to know 1 is congruent to 2, 1 is congruent to 3, therefore 2 is congruent to 3. From there, what we can do to find x and y, we will need two equations. We're going to set the measure of angle 1 equal to the measure of angle 2, and then the measure of angle 2 equal to the measure of angle 3. So then 4x plus 2y equals 13x minus y, and then 13x minus y equals 3y plus 3. So bringing all the variables over to the left and all the constants over to the right, we have negative 9x plus 3y equals 0. And then we have 13x minus 4y equals 3. Now, to get this ready for elimination, we're going to multiply the top equation by 4 and the bottom equation by 3. So multiplying the top by 4, we get negative 36x plus 12y equals 0. And now multiplying the bottom equation by 3, we get 39x minus 12y equals 9. Then adding them together, we get 3x plus 0 here equals 9, and we get x equals 3. Now plugging back into this first equation, we get negative 27 plus 3y equals 0, meaning that 3y equals 27, and then y equals 9. So bringing these up here, x equals 3, y equals 9. Plugging in to the first one, we get 12 plus 18, which is 30. Plugging into the second, we get 39 minus 9, which is again 30. And plugging into the third, we get 9 times 3 is 27, plus 3 is again 30. And we have our check. If you're ever confused on how many equations you need, just think you have two variables, so you need two equations. We have three possible equations, M1 and M2, M1 and M3, M2 and M3. You only need two of them. Any two will do.